A properly seated multi-port valve is essential for efficient filtration. We'll show you how to replace the O-ring on your Hayward Multiport valve, a quick fix that can prevent leaks and ensure smooth operation. Start by turning off your pump and setting your shutoff valves to the off position to prevent water loss. If you don't have shutoff valves, place a Hayward cap in the skimmer and return to stop water flow. Using a screwdriver, remove the bolts on each end of the C-clamp and set it aside. Carefully detach the multi-port valve from the lateral assembly and place it to the side. Remove the old O-ring from the filter head and position the new O-ring directly under the collar of the multi-port valve. Reconnect the multi-port valve by inserting the lateral assembly into the port at the bottom of the valve head. Push the multi-port valve down and carefully align both pieces of the C-clamp with the valve head and the tank. Insert the screws on each end and tighten securely. Before you finish, make sure the valve is in the filter position. And that's it. Your Hayward Multiport valve O-ring is replaced and your filter is ready to keep your pool water clear. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other pool maintenance videos from The Great Escape. See you next time.